Are you ready to explore one of Meghalaya's most breathtaking wonders? Just a few minutes from Shillong lies the spectacular Elephant Falls, a stunning three-tier waterfall that will leave you amazed. From a calm and gentle beginning to a graceful middle flow, and finally a roaring grand finale that drenches you in mist, this waterfall has it all. Stay with me as I take you through each tier of this magical cascade. You don't want to miss this adventure. If you love waterfalls, nature, and hidden gems, then this place is going to amaze you. The first tier is wide and calm, almost all like nature, giving you a warm welcome. The water flows in a broad sheet, creating a soothing curtain effect. It sets the perfect mood as you start your journey down the falls. Walking further, you reach the second tier. This one is smaller but very elegant. The stream trickles gracefully over rocks, framed by tall trees and ferns. It feels peaceful and makes a beautiful photo stop, especially for those who love capturing nature's finer details. And then comes the third tier, the tallest and most powerful of them all. Here, the water plunges dramatically over the rocky cliff, filling the air with the refreshing mist. The roar of the cascade, the cool spray on your face, and the raw energy of the water makes the spot absolutely unforgettable. It is here that most visitors fully fall in love with Elephant Falls and stay for a longer time. Let us know the history of the waterfalls and the name. Actually, the British gave the name Elephant Falls after a nearby rock formation that resembled an elephant. Sadly, that rock was destroyed in the 1897 earthquake, but the name has remained and the falls continue to charm travelers from across the world.